Hey, crafty besties. You know who it is. I don't even have to tell you who I am. Today, I got some stencils in the mail. These look fun. And I found one. I like this one. And I like this one. And I like the brick looking ones too. But anyway, so I got some of these in the mail today. And I'm excited because we're going to play. We're going to make some ephemera for my Crafty Besties journal. My Crafty Bestie is going to Alaska. And I haven't figured out what to do on the cover. But she found this book that was already pre-made. Just it had the pages sewn in. It didn't have any decorations to make it fun. So far, I've given her... This is where she's going. She's going to Tok. When she told me it was T-O-K, I thought she meant talk. Like TikTok, but it's not like that. It's Tok. Not like 420, but Tok. Anyway, so I've got her a little notepad tucked in here. So, and maybe she can tuck her plane tickets in there when she goes. I don't know. And then I've done a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And I've put an envelope in here. And I made a pocket and a sticker. And so I've sprayed through some other things. But today I need to make some ephemera to go in this pocket, this tuck spot, and this tuck spot. And this is Juneau, because Juneau is the capital of Alaska. So anyway, what I did was I glued book pages to a butter box. You know, the box that I'm talking about, that the butter comes in, when your butter quarters come in. Anyway, so I glued book pages to the butter box. And I thought this would be fun to little journaling spots. And we could put tore up book pages on this side. And we'll make some little journal cards out of it. So I thought that's what we'd do today while we talk about how you treated your customer service people. Were you nice today? Did you go anywhere today? It's Tuesday. So if you're in the U.S., a lot of people call Tuesday Taco Tuesday. Because, you know, you can eat tacos on Tuesday. But I think you can eat tacos any day of the week. So I'm just cutting the corners off of these just to, I don't know, because I like to. But that's 100% why. Just because I like to. This one might not cut. Yeah, this one's feeling pretty tough. But I thought that we could get some focal points and decorate these. And put them in these little tuck places. Like this was a junk mail envelope. Because y'all know I can't do something. I think this one's going to be this one. And we're going to move the book away because I don't want to get the book all messed up. And I have this stencil. I'm going to put it this way. And I have some tarnished brass mica spray. And this one actually sprays. So we're going to spray this. And look, that was kind of a cool pattern. And because I don't want to waste the spray, I'm going to get some of these envelopes that I have. Just apply it to the envelope. Just kind of grunge these up a little bit, just for fun. And let's see. We have that one, and then we have this one, and then we still have this one. This one's kind of weird looking, but I think I want these three to go under this one. Maybe just these two. Right, and I also have some mica spray antique bronze. So this is the tarnished brass, and this is antique bronze. Can y'all see this? Lift it straight up. And if you don't spray a lot of it, it doesn't get soaking wet. But if it does get soaking wet, we got to keep paper towels in the craft room, because your crafty bestie Tabby is always making a mess. But that's what makes crafts so much fun, is when we can make a mess. And those look kind of fun. And then this one, I have this. I have a dauber. Well, that's good. I have a dauber. What am I going to daub with? I bet I could daub it up. Well, let's get some just... Let's see if we can do this. I've always wanted to do that, and I just did. So now we're going to take this. Oh. There's that. So it's not too much, but it is a lot. You're like, it's not. Well, I got this one. This is Black Soot Distress Oxide Spray. And the sprayer has never worked in this one. So, and then now I'm just going to use this because I don't want to waste. Get it off that thing in the middle. Let's see if I can. This is just an experiment, y'all. The Black Soot really does have more brown in it than I thought. Of course, it might be the brown and stuff coming out of this dauber pad that I pushed it in. But it is alright. Right on. Alright, where in the little paper towel go? Let's see if we can get off the windows before it dries real good. Now let's see. Alright. Now, we have back here, we have, that'll go in the journal at some point. We have this window. No. Okay. Let's find a good focal point for each one of these. It's a good day to have a good day. There we go. Every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. I like that a lot. Great is thy faithfulness. Be the light. We'll take be the light. And one more. I think I want it to be this one. Be the energy you want to attract. Do you want to have good energy? Lots of energy, fun energy? Me too. No, this is this one. And look, we're going to put it just right here. And normally you have to look for a focal point, then a background image, and then something to... You don't have to with these stickers that say stuff. I like these stickers. It's a one-stop shop. It's a good day to have a good day. And I hope when my bestie is in Alaska and they're building churches, I hope that she pulls this one out and writes something down about a good day that they had. Yep, it's going to be a quiz when she gets back. I just grunge up the edges. Why? Because it's fun. Somebody asked me, why do I always make everything grungy? Why do I have to do that? And I said, because it's fun to go, I mean, hear that. That's like ASMR. I love that noise. That's fun. Right. Every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. And we have to try. Because too many times we get lazy and we say, oh, well, I can't do it anyway. Well, how do you know? Have you bothered to try? Oh, no. And this one says, with God, all things are possible. And I think that is appropriate for going to Alaska and building churches. So, today I had the funniest call in customer service. The person called. They wanted to talk to me about their headphones that they were having a problem with. And I told them I was sorry, but we did not manufacture, service, or otherwise entertain headphone systems. And I was sorry that I was unable to help them. And they're like, oh. And they felt really stupid because they were coming in hot. I could hear it in their voice. They were coming in hot about their headphones. But then they found out they had the wrong number. So I thought that was funny. So, yeah, it pays to be kind. So at least make sure that you are on the right phone line when you call somebody to start fussing. Just wanted to put that out there. So I'm going to put this one in here. Intentional. Because we want to be intentional. And this one says, with God, all things are possible. And this one says, it's a good day to have a good day. And this says, life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. I got lots of things being said. And I think we might put both of these behind Juno. I think that's perfect. Perfect. So, I'm not even halfway into this journal. But one thing I do like about the way whoever did this, they did, how many papers in a signature? I'm going to figure that out right now. 1, 2, 3. They did 4 signatures, 4 pages to a signature. But everything, it folds flat. So that's really cool. And then at the end, they put ribbon in the binding of all of those, which is very cool. I think I'm going to take this off of here. And I might use this. I'm going to make some tags to go in here too. Make this for the tags. So, if y'all want to see me do other experiments in here, because she said I could do whatever I wanted. It didn't have to be the same, but to make her journal fun. So I want her journal to be fun, but I want her to have a good time in Alaska. And I have this piece of a map, and I think that this that says Alaska, and part of this should be like a side tuck, like just beep, beep, beep. And yeah, I think so. Let's get our scissors out, make that happen for her. And I know she's not going to every single place on this map, but it would be cool if she could. Okay. So I'm sorry, but part of Anchorage is going to be obliterated. And we're going to glue this down on these 3 sides. Let's see if we do that. No, we're going to need to do it. We're going to need to glue it on the insides and let this be open. Otherwise, she'll never get in there. And we're going to make a little thumb hole for it. So I've cut a little thumb hole. The problem with thumb holes is you don't see them unless you see them. And here's my Villainous Potion Distress Oxide that I'm just going to mix with that black, because I can. And I'm just going to go ahead and edge down the back. And then we'll create something to go in there. So we're going to take Alene, because we all know how good and sticky Alene's tacky glue is. And we are going to glue this in, because we want it to be in there forever. Yeah, forever and ever. Oh dear. Now I can't do it on that page, because that page is going to take forever to dry. I'm just going to flip it up, flip it over one. There we go. And then we'll make something on this. Let's see if we can make some. That's fun. Now we're going to have to let this dry. I think we've done enough for today. Don't forget to be nice to people. And when you're coming in hot, make sure you've got the right phone number. And I think we should fold this up and put it in here. We'll fold it so you can pull it out and just write on it. And I'm not folding it neat on purpose. I'm folding it all kind of cattywampus. And we're going to put it in there so that it's not folded flat. So she'll know that that's supposed to be taken out and written on. And then she can work her magic and make it folded flat. Alright, everybody. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you have enjoyed this video, please like this video. And if nobody's told you, remember, you matter, you are important, and you are enough. And your crafty bestie loves you. And I'll see you in the next video. Mwah!